In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Mailchimp automated emails to new subscribers. To begin, open your web browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Use your normal sign-in method, but make sure you are working inside the correct account before you continue. If you manage more than one brand, audience, or workspace, taking a moment to confirm this now can help prevent you from setting up the automation in the wrong place. Once you are signed in, you should land on your Mailchimp dashboard, where you can access the main tools for creating campaigns, automations, and audience-related settings. Now that you are inside Mailchimp, look for the Create button. This is usually shown with a pencil icon, and it is where you start building new marketing content. Click the Create button to open the Creation menu. This menu gives you several different options, depending on what you want to build, such as emails, landing pages, and automated messages. For this tutorial, you are not creating a one-time email campaign. You are creating an automated email that will be sent when someone joins your audience. From the creation options, select Automations. This tells Mailchimp that you want to build a workflow that runs automatically based on a specific action. In this case, the action is a new subscriber joining your list. Automations are useful because they allow you to welcome subscribers right away without needing to manually send a message each time someone signs up. This helps create a consistent first impression and keeps your communication timely. Next, choose the Welcome New Subscribers workflow. This workflow is designed specifically for sending an email to people after they subscribe. It is one of the most common automations used in email marketing because it gives you a chance to introduce your brand, share important information, or simply thank the person for joining your list. When you select this workflow, Mailchimp will guide you into the setup process for a welcome email automation. After choosing the workflow, you will need to select your audience or contacts for the automation. This is an important part of the setup because Mailchimp needs to know which group of subscribers should receive the automated welcome email. Choose the audience that matches the sign-up form, website, or subscriber list you want to use. If you only have one audience, this part may be very straightforward. If you have more than one, take your time and make sure you select the correct one. Once your audience is selected, you will move into the automation settings. Click Edit to configure your email trigger settings. The trigger is what tells Mailchimp when the email should be sent. For a welcome email, the trigger is based on someone subscribing to the selected audience. Review the trigger settings carefully so the automation behaves the way you expect. This is where you confirm that the message will go to new subscribers at the right time based on the audience you selected. With the trigger settings reviewed, the next part is to design your email content. This is the actual message your new subscribers will receive. Open the email editor and customize the content so it fits your brand and your purpose. You can adjust the text, layout, images, buttons, and overall design. Keep the message clear and welcoming. Since this is likely one of the first emails a new subscriber receives from you, it should feel helpful, polished, and easy to understand. Make sure the subject line, preview text, and body content all work together and set the right tone. Before turning everything on, take a moment to review the automation. Confirm that the correct audience is selected, the trigger settings are configured, and the email content looks the way you want it to look. This quick review can help you catch simple mistakes before subscribers begin receiving the message. When everything is ready, click Turn On. This activates the automation. And from that point forward, Mailchimp will send the welcome email to new subscribers based on the workflow you set up. You do not need to manually send the email each time someone joins. Mailchimp will handle that part automatically. And that is all there is to it. You have now set up an automated welcome email in Mailchimp for new subscribers.